Hello, I'm Rudy, and I'm the social media manager here at Wellness Health Group and the Men Clinic. Today I will be demonstrating how to access our online supplement store. So first thing, you want to open your browser and then go to the URL section and type in whgsupplements.com. Once you press enter, you will see our front page, and here you will actually see a carousel of different information. So for instance, our immunity booster bundle, if you want to keep clicking, you actually see things like our testimonial we have, some other things we offer. If you scroll down, you will actually see some articles we have and some links. So what are supplements good for? And if you scroll to the bottom, you'll see our featured products. And these products are very popular products, or they're products that are currently on sale. So if you want to scroll back up to the top, you can actually click on all supplements right here next to the home button. You click on all supplements to see all of our products, and they are sorted alphabetically, so you can actually scroll throughout all our products if you'd like. Another option is, if you already know the name of the product you want to purchase, you can then go to the top right where it shows a magnifying glass. Click on that magnifying glass. And a good example would be if I'm looking for testosterone support. I can just click on testosterone support. It tells me promotes testosterone production. And I click on it and it gives me two options immediately. The first one being add to cart, meaning it will just add it to my cart, and two will be buy it now. So if I don't want to purchase anything else and I'm just looking to buy this one product, I can just click on buy it now and it will immediately take me to the checkout process. However, I currently want to read some of this stuff, so I can just scroll down here, read some of the information here, and I can even share, tweet it, or pin it via social media to share it with my friends. Another thing right here, if you see in the bottom, is these are other featured products, and these are products that either people tend to buy with this product, testosterone support, or they just go together for to promote similar functions. So if I scroll back up, I can just click add to cart, which I will do, and this little pop-up shows up. Either I can continue shopping or I can just go straight to my cart, but I'm going to continue shopping. So I'm going to again click on the magnifying glass, and now I'm looking for vitamin D. So as you can see, there's vitamin D liquid, it's a spray, and there's vitamin D capsules. So I'm going to click on the capsules, and here again it gives you these two options, and this time I'm going to click add to cart again, and now instead of continue shopping, I will just view my cart. So as you can, if you notice here, this is my cart, and there's a second way to get to the cart if you don't click on the little pop-up, and that it would be right here in the top right. As you can see next to the magnifying glass, there's a little man, and then there's a little shopping bag. So this is your cart or shopping bag, and if let's say I was in the home page and I click on the little shopping bag, it would take me back to my cart, and it tells you how many products are in your cart, which is 2. So as you can see, I can see the price, the quantity, and the total it will be. I can even remove it here. And then finally, right here, I can see my subtotal. So now it gives you two options. I can now check out normally, or I could check out through PayPal. So I don't have PayPal, so I'm going to click check out normally. Then it will take me to this page, the information. So here I can then click on PayPal if I change my mind, or I can submit my contact information. If you already have an account, you can just log in and it will fill out all this information for you. If you don't, you can then just put in information. So you can either put in an email or a phone number. I feel like putting in a phone number, so I will put 956, and this is actually the office number, but I would just be putting it in for demonstration. And right here where it says sign up for exclusive offers and news via text messages and or email, I will click on that just because I want to be notified about any new products or deals coming from WHD supplements. So it gives you two options for delivery method, and either I can ship it to a location with the shipping address I provide here and then click on continue shipping, or I could pick up, and pick up means I can pick it up at the local clinic, which is Wellness Health Group, and it tells you the address here, and it's free, and it's usually ready within 4 hours. So let's say I say, you know what, I'm going to pick up, continue to payment, and then it has my information here, and now it shows me the payment portal. So under the payment portal, I can click on credit card, or I can again click on PayPal. I will be clicking on credit card just for this information, and it's debit and credit card. It doesn't have to be a credit card. Shows you the billing address on that credit card, and then finally I could put pay now. As you can see on the top right, there's a little gift card or discount code. If you have a gift card, you can input it here, or if you have a discount code, you can put that in here as well. I will be providing one right now, which is FB, short for Facebook. I click apply, and suddenly the $62 gets subtracted by $6.20. My new total is $55.80 now, 10% off. So once I fill out all this information, I could just put pay now, and once it puts pay now, you will be given a receipt via the phone number you provided or the email you provided. So via email or text message, and that is exactly how you use the online store. So issue I will admit is that there has been problems with the discount code, meaning sometimes if you in the information portal portion and you type it in here and then you go to the continue to payment, sometimes it will get erased. So I would just advise that you just type it in again to make sure it gets applied and make sure your total is there correctly with the discount, and then finally click pay now with your information. Other than that, there should be no issues, and if you want, you can email us at info@wellnesshg.com, or you can call us at 956-581-2168. Thank you.